Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required to download something. And I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. You can be sure then that you will not be charged for downloading something. So after the internet connection, let's enter the Play Store. Of course, you will have to sign in, so if you're not currently logged in, you will have to do it right now. And after that, let's tap on this circle, which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage. And here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device, and in order to check the updates, we have to tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 15 available, so if you want to, you can mark all of them. Or you can mark like 2 or 3 or whatever. So just find it. I will update maybe Google and Google Maps, and then let's tap on this update icon right here. And as you can see, after that, your device will simply download and install the updates automatically, so you do not really need to do anything more. Just wait. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.